Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shapes and figures. It explains how to build, measure, and compare them. People use geometry in various fields, from constructing buildings and bridges to planning space missions. Points, lines, and angles are fundamental terms in geometry. A point has no length or width and is represented by a dot. A line extends infinitely in both directions and is usually drawn with arrowheads. A line segment has two endpoints. A ray is half of a line with one endpoint. Two rays with the same endpoint form an angle. If the rays form a straight line, the angle is called a straight angle. A right angle measures 90 degrees. Angles smaller than a right angle are acute, while those larger but smaller than a straight angle are obtuse. A polygon is a closed figure formed by joining line segments. A triangle has three sides, and some have special names. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides. A right triangle has one right angle. A quadrilateral has four sides. A rectangle has four right angles, and a square is a special rectangle with equal sides. Polygons with more than four sides are named using Greek numbers. For example, a pentagon has 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides and an octagon has 8. Some geometric shapes have curves instead of straight lines. The most familiar is the circle. All points on a circle's edge are equidistant from the center. This distance is called the radius. The diameter is the distance across the circle through the center, twice the radius. The circumference is the circle's perimeter. Triangles, squares, and circles are flat shapes. Solid figures include cubes, spheres, cones, cylinders, and pyramids. A cube has flat surfaces like a square box. A sphere, such as a baseball, has a curved surface. Cones, cylinders, and pyramids are other examples of solid figures. The Rhind papyrus is an ancient Egyptian scroll containing mathematical tables and problems. Geometry is essential in various fields, enhancing our understanding of the world and enabling technological advancements. Thank you for watching. Geometry is a fascinating subject that impacts many aspects of our lives.